So we have ourselves our expected price tag for the Apple foldable iPhone. And to be honest, it's a lot less than I thought it was going to be. But it is a price range, as it's almost impossible to know what Apple's ever going to do. The price tag range is $2,000 to $2,500. My guess is it's going to be on the latter end of that, of closer to $2,500. I'm not expecting anything at $2,000. Let's be honest, this is Apple again. They're going to jack up the price just a tad bit because of it. Although, again, Apple does always get that like rap for that, but realistically speaking, if you look at the most recent like iPhone releases, Samsung releases, they're actually only $50 off. But Apple Vision Pro, $34.99 base model. Yeah. Apple. As I was saying though, $2,500 is it's probably gonna be in something like $24.99, knowing Apple, kind of like their sweet spot right there. Is it gonna be good enough to be, in theory, $600 better than the Z Fold 6? Honestly, yeah, probably. Is there a market for a $2,500 foldable phone? If it is a 12.6-inch display, which is what it's expected, like a foldable mini iPad, yes, I think there will be definitely a market for it. It's going to be considered kind of like a mini iMac. Not iMac, mini MacBook. Kind of like a mini MacBook Air that's a cell phone. So we'll have to wait and see, you know, more specs and more information about this. This is going to be coming out next year. Again, this is coming out next year. We also got a Pixel 11 Pro Fold. We also got a OnePlus Open 2 coming out next year. We're just getting a bunch of goodies next year. So this year, it's a hit or miss, but next year is going to be an absolute grand slam. I will say, though, so next year we get the Z Fold 8. The Z Fold 8 should, in theory, be worth the 19 or whatever it ends up being, $1,900 because the Z Fold 8 should be an absolute home run hit. So hopefully $2,500 doesn't seem like that much, but it's still gonna be a lot. I mean, don't keep wrong, it's still gonna be a lot. It's just better than what I expected. I expected like a $3,000 price tag, especially with it being a first gen product. It's going to be crazy insane to look at. A lot of people are going to love it, but it's also going to have a lot of problems as well because it's a first gen product. So $2,500, I think if it is $2,000, they will sell out within seconds. $2,000, I feel like, will sell out within seconds, and it will be like a whole entire scalper race for it if it's $2,000. So I think they're going to do $2,500. I think that's more realistic. But I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.